Green.
O, live tayo sa, sa FB. Guys, like and follow. Charot. Nag-promote.
Ano pong weight yan?
Streamer.
Streamer ko nuwari. Hindi, ang ni-stream ko lang is yung LFP. Wala akong time para maging official streamer. Tsaka wala akong followers. So, at Hamshi Place. Tsaka, diba? Yan natin.
Hindi na bang?
Sumugod na eh. Sino sumugod?
Si Monski.
Habang ikaw
Si Monski
dyan.
sumugod.
Siya nga!
Saan sabi sa'yo?
Good morning everyone. We're here again.
Nasaan si Monski? Ba't di siya sumali dito?
Kasi nasa trabaho.
Boom, patay si bakla. Kaya mo na yan.
Nung kaya mo na yan. Kanina nang, ayan na nga. Naging bato. O kaya mo na yan. Naging bato.
Yay.
Mag-reroll kayo sa last part. Baka sakaling makaano kayo. Makapag, anong tawag doon? Makanuka kayo. Kapiling.
Na all nakanuka. Oy, magsibangon kayo dyan. Revive.
Kaya mo na yan?
Revive.
Yan.
Ilagay natin sa videos. May channel to for videos.
So, Ham, pag nag-stream ka sa Facebook, for example, paano mo, gamit mo yung pinakita mo sa akin kanina?
Oo, yung OBS. Oo.
Oh.
Ano kasi yun? Para organize. So, right now, it's, capturing the audio and the window that I have for my phone. Tapos,
Oo.
I can easily filter out yung audio natin. Kaso, yung purpose ng stream natin is also to promote yung guidance on run. So, might as well have it on. With chismis.
With halong chismis.
Halong chismis. So, there.
Chismis na hinaluan ng run.
Correct. So, you can easily just check kasi may nakalagin. The main reason why I was speaking in English kanina is because of Adam from EU. I think he's one of the mods, if I'm not mistaken. So, be mindful if you're gonna be streaming. You might as well say hi to everyone. And some of them are not from the Philippines, so it's okay. Alright, let's do 2IF. Nakaka-data lang daw si Redsky. Labas mo. Redsky, where can I send the link for the live? Masasalo naman ni Redsky yung MS. Wala nang labas-labas. Tsaka siya rin yung huling sumali, diba? So it's fine.
Oh, ako, lalabas ako. Hindi ako TK.
Oo nga pala, ako din lalabas ako. I-declare ko muna to. Nawala sa isip ko eh. Hello everyone, to those who are here. Karen.
Welcome to my channel.
Welcome to my channel.
Welcome.
I want to
Hello,
stream
Philippines.
The dilemma is, I want to keyboard. The problem is, hindi ako marunong nang hindi siya i-resize. 2 minutes! Andito na yung delivery ko. Wait lang.
Sige, go. Ako ay maglilibre.
2 minutes.
Diyan lang kayo sa loob at magpapalit na ako ng tissue.
Ay, be right back din namin.
Simpukan. Ay, nakalimutan ko pala to. Suzuki.
Back.
Wait ko. Nakapagagawin ko kahit sync.
Hikit ka si Bansky.
Asan na naman yung mga accessories ko?
So goes dark hole.
Ikaw muna ang papasok, Tredsky.
Wala si kakalimutan. Ghost niya si ano, no? Konapay. Konapay. Tapos, double legs next. Holy. Holy ang panghuli.
Na-excite ako kay Reds. Asan na?
Okay lang yan kasi wala pa akong kailangan ko pang tumanjak to jack. Mag-ano na lang ako dito, mag-ano na lang. Na-follow naman siya sa akin. Ano na nangyari? Na-stop din siya.
Try ko sa Discord.
Ayun.
Andiyan na eh.
Wow.
Oh my God. Ay, kaya natin to. Siya prayo kong AFP.
Kaya natin.
The rest sa baba lang ha, huwag na kayo umakyat. Para
ほう俺に正々堂々勝負を挑むってのか
Ay, Kamora, ang layo mo.
怪我しないでよね
待ってよ
ハゼロ現実砕けよ精神
Naku!
Ay, putix ka. Namatay ako.
Wait lang, wait lang. Wait lang, mamamatay din ako.
Malapit na si...
Mamamatay. Namatay ako.
Kam.
Reset. Lalabas na ako. I'm gonna take out the big guns. Ang Yggdrasil.
Ay.
Kuha na tayo ng Yggdrasil sa storage. Ayun, yeah, I think 10 is enough. Nako. Pa-stream nga pala ako. Ang aking passcode na-reveal sa buong mundo. Nangyayari na. Makakusay. Pag nilag internet ng makulit na bata. Ano ang reso ko? Dapat pag blue dyan, pipindot na lang ako. Hi, Red.
Uy,
Okay,
dito
it's
si Modski.
good. Oo.
Hello, Modski!
Go! Attack, attack, attack!
G, Modski.
ほう俺に正々堂々勝負を挑むってのか
Kami yung trip ng Joey.
ちょっと怪我しないでよね
Hindi kayo binibitahan ni Joey.
Oo.
Okay lang yan. Basta nasa atin si ano.
待ってよ
ハゼロ現
Ang
Huwag ka nang pumunta dyan.
実精神
Ang mahalaga dito si
Vlogger mo kasi.
Okay, next. Ano si Poca?
Okay.
Ba't nga ba ako
Poka.
Ba't ako ano si Pocarani?
Putex. Thank you, Nuka. That's ako, Ham.
Wait lang. Nastan ako. Gago na sa akin pa yung ano.
Yun. Sabi.
Sugod mga kapatid. Sino ka? Sino ka?
Sino ba ako?
Kahit anong F.
Kayo Red Sea.
Oh my goodness. No SP! Ay, nako, no.
Ako din, no? SB din ako.
Manahimik ka dyan. Ayun, okay na.
Uy, Bongkil. Ba't ka tumigil? Uy.
Naku, umaya ka! Sayang casting to. mamamatay ako. Shit. No, 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 no. Ano si Reds?
Gago, nag-spamin ako
Naka-FP ka nga eh.
Tapos nag-spamin pa ako.
Oh, tinapak si Red.
Fuck, shit. Pa isa pa. Thanks. Konti na lang, 6%. Okay, down. Water.
Uy, uy, uy!
Na, cross pa nga.
Kulang ang gamit ko. Sabi na kaya na nga. Mamamatay pa sa pagbabago ng gamit. Uy, namatay ka!
Ako ang nategi. Salit ng spear.
Hindi umabot sa FP. Ay, naku, Nuka. Layo ka sa akin. Uy, nag-intimidate si Nuka ha. May tatapakin to. Si Redsky. Na-snare pa ako. Wait lang ha. Takbo ka muna, Jello. Hindi ako gumagalaw. Grabe.
Gago.
Natareso.
1% pa. 56.
Na-snare na naman si Ham.
Thirty-two.
Kinuha tumama yung Star Shard. Shit. Buham, takbo, 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 takbo. Ham, 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 takbo! Bilis! Bilis! Hindi na mawala. Marireset pa. Ano ka na? Oh, disarm pampota. Shit, na-intimidate. Takbo agad ha. Takbo, Jello, Jello, Jello. Takbo, takbo, takbo. Takbo pa. Huwag kang titigil. Huwag kang titigil. Huwag kang titigil. Hanggat hindi ayun. Nasa akin si Sayo. Jello, takbo. Huwag kang titigil.
So, na-disarm din ako eh.
Wala SP si Redsky ah.
Oh, fuck.
Shit, namatay si Redsky.
Mag-disarm din ako.
Layo, 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 layo. Takbuhan muna tayo. Play dead ka if ever. Lalo na ako SP. Sarado. Saan ka? Jello, takbo. Run! As fast as you can! Nasa akin ang dragon!
Abu-abulan.
Shit, na-snare ako. Putay na. Putay na, takbo. Jello, Jello, nasa iyo ang dragon! Nasa iyo ang dragon! Takbo, huwag kang titigil! Alam ka to, sino? Kapit niya. What's to?
Gago.
Banat!
Puta, na-disarm pa.
Disarm din ako. Shit ka! Takbo mo, dali! Jello, takbo! Oh my God!
Wow!
Tatama ba to? Ay, wait. Pwede ko tong i-A,
Nice
diba?
ka. Pwede. Oo. Sige nga. Pero may isang sapat ka lang dyan.
Ay, gago. Nagre-reso.
Wa.
Ayan. Ay, auto attack. Ay, kasi yung skill set niya, hindi yung pang-auto.
Go, reset na. Kaya naman eh.
Lalabanan natin to. Ilalaban natin to. Charot. Ah!
Ba, kaya yan.
Kasi hindi nagre-reset
Nice.
yung ano, yung skills, yung gamit lang. Ito yung mali ko eh. Ayun na yun. Wala yung jack. Hindi na? Okay na yan.
Wait lang, check nga ako kung may pods pa.
Ang cute na yun din eh. Takbo!
Yung isa hindi ko na nakita yung panghuli, hindi ko nakita.
Yung last
Ano bang
one.
tinakas niya bago siya mag-ano?
Ano
Oo.
yan eh, mag-aano siya. Magdadalawang disarm siya. And then ano. MVP combo airship. Uy, Momo. Uy, Momo. Bumbering na. Carry us, please.
Bumbering kayo? Kayo ba yung bumbering?
Hindi, ghost ring na ako eh.
Ah, okay. So, kasabayan ko lang si Momo.
Makasabayan ko yan. Inunahan mo na. Go! Sugat!
69 na eh. Maintain natin ng 69.
勝負を挑むってのか
Come around, good. Puta ka.
怪我しないでよね
Puta ka lang, baby ka.
待ってよ
ハゼロ現実砕
Ay,
けよ
gago.
精
Wala ko SP. Hindi ako maka-PFE.
Ko din eh.
Galing. Attack ng heal. Wala na snare pa. Sama tayong ma-freeze.
Okay, good na.
Eh, namatay ka. Ang sakit. Ang sakit nila.
Okay. Puta.
Hindi na ako sanay. Ang sakit. Ay, mamamatay ako dyan. Ay, hindi pala. False alarm.
Di yan.
Pag-pats
Wala eh, nagpapansin nga ako eh.
CD pa yung FP ko. Puta. Ito na naman po tayo. Shit, ako pa yung mamatay ako ah. Ay, ayun na nga. Yellow pareso.
Wait. Asan,
Diyan sino ba?
nakaano pa ba ito?
Powerful.
Bangon.
Instacast ng reso nung walang reso. Snare pa ang lola mo.
City, kalaban City. Layuan mo ako.
Teka.
Inan sinapak. Si Redsky ang sinapak. Di ako makagalaw. Ayun.
Namatay ako. Shit.
Hindi yan.
Ubus ang ig.
Yun.
Spam ig.
Sige na, pa isang first. Amin ko nga rin eh, boss mo. Unang namin naman, si Redsky. Gabi.
Hindi ako makahit. Nakakanta ka ng dispersal.
Yan sa akin din ang
Kasi yung heal ng TK, gahaman eh. Puti parat.
buti pa retro.
Patay na naman tayo.
Ah, shit, ako ang tinira.
Eh, takbo ka na.
Ayan.
Naka-stranded sa akin silang tatlo. Mali.
Ano? Ano daw? That's me.
Shit.
What?
Ako maabot. Reset. Ano na si ML3F? Wait, ghost string already. Practice.
12 egg.
Kasi may foods ako, parang wala na yung foods ko.
Yun.
Go.
Wait.
Get degraded skills. Thank you, Kimi. Is she here? Oh yeah, she's here. I'm not used to playing dead. Sorry. Ever since I
Hey.
seriously, ever since I started with CMO3F from a long time ago, I never did the play dead thing. I sustain, I run, I pass.
Run.
Try that. Okay, let's do it now. G, let's go. I always play it.
ほう俺に正々堂々勝負を挑むってのか
ちょっと怪我しないでよね。
てよ。
Oh shoot, di pala ako naka-ghost.
現実砕けよ精神
Oh, it didn't work. The plated thing didn't work. I almost died.
Reset?
Reset.
Pwede naman na umaga kung bag. Dapat natatot si ano eh, si...
Relag.
Ghost.
Okay, 2 minutes. I need to check on my food.
At nga ako na... Pwede ko pang pambak. Oh, for 1 hour. This is so fun, Panotram. Matsky, what time are you going home?
Sorry. Okay, let's go. I played it too. Yes, Reski.
Okay. Let's all play dead.
You're supposed to be
Perhaps they won't
protecting
attack us. How many more? Okay, I'm Jin.
G.
Let's be Modsky.
Go, you can do it.
ほう、俺に正々堂々勝負を挑むってのか。
ちょっとけなしないでよね
Was MS.
待ってよ。
You have MS? No, I have it.
砕け
I
よ
think you
精
have.
神
And now I'm gonna die. Wait, I have
No,
that.
you're not.
Guys.
Poka, kami, poka. Wait, no, fan.
Play that is not working.
Working!
I'm clicking it, it's
What
not
do you-
working.
Only works for Kimi.
Useless PD.
Yes.
Why am I healing?
We have one each. One MVP
Oh,
each.
it works, it works, it works. Oh god. Sorry, Reds.
Oh no. Go. Go away.
Oh, Redski's still alive! Amazing!
Poka, come here, Poka. I'm your target, Poka. Poka. Pikachu. Oh no.
Ah, no SP. I was like,
Okay, then.
how come the Lex is not working? Damn it. Okay. Let's are you okay?
Let's see.
Damn it.
Oh. Motsuki is the face fatal. First fatal. Go ahead.
Yeah, I guess I can stop it. Yan, that's what
I thought. Uy.
Joel will do. Ay, you died. Amazing, Joel. Tabi. No, not no ka, Joel. Oh my gulay. Come on, hurry up. No ka. Why me? Oh shit. 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 Resu. Jello. Resu me. Help. Prio me.
Saying for
Hurry up. Hurry. Sayang reso natin. Ayun.
I died.
We still have enough reso, so it's okay. It's okay.
Pabuat ko.
Luka, get out of here! Let's run! Oh my god, too late. Oh shit, like casting.
Okay. Thanks.
Pake na shit. Sorry. We apologize for the profanity. Ah, damn it. This arm. Hello, fans. I'm so sorry for the profanity. I'm so sorry. Redsky, where are you? Run, Jello, run!
Boom again!
Dead.
Frozen, then dead. Double dead.
Oh, how come MP3 is not working? Oh no. SP. Let's kita mo. Oh, SP. Here we go. Go, Red
Wait
Sea.
lang.
Kaya mo yan. Kapit, may tatlo pa tayo, Resu. Jello, takbo! Don't stop running no matter what.
Gago no ka. I'm preparing my food for you.
Ayan, na-disarm na. Ayan na nga, na-disarm na. Na-SP! Run! Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, god, oh god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, run, 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 run. Is he still behind me? Annoying.
Disarm.
Mask of Ignorance, Group Disarm, Intimidate, and then another dragon. I have no SP. Ah, there we go. Jello, takbo, 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 takbo! Tumakbo ka! Sorry, this is so much fun. Ayoko na. Ako tayo kakatawa. Annoying, Nuka. What the heck is your problem, Nuka? Why us?
Luka.
Let's
Go away.
be fair. Of all people, why us?
Go away.
Let's see, run! Oh my god, too late. No escape. I can't do anything. No escape.
Disarm.
Me too. Okay, CFE. Let's... Oh, come on, die. I know you gave me a card earlier, but it doesn't make sense that you cannot die.
Boom.
Okay, guys, reroll. I rerolled earlier. I got Luca card. I got this earlier. Guys, always reroll in CMLDF. I got this fresh this morning. I was just kidding. Earlier, I was just like, maybe I should reroll. Maybe I should not. And then I click reroll. And then tada, Nuka. And then they kicked me out of the party.
I keep. She got me the card.
We were about to run TSR. I was like, how come I don't have a party? They kicked me out of the
Nice.
party because I got the Nuka card. So yeah, make sure to...
Oh my god.
No, because the
That
opportunity
was so-
in CML 3F, you have like 4 cards that you can actually get.
Yeah, true.
So make sure that you save up for that. Where is it? This one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cards for the last level. So
Mochi, you're so good. Mochi.
anything else that we need to do? I'm exhausted. I don't want to do it anymore. Guys, if you're
Oh my god, that was.
here, kindly follow me in Facebook so that you can recount all the craziness that happened in the last few minutes. My gulay. I'm not an official streamer because I don't have the regular time to stream. My FB is at... I can promote it, right?
I think so.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys relax. It's too easy.
Okay, this is just easy. I'm tired. Can you just get somebody else? Just kidding. Wait,
No, you have to be with that.
that was. Hey, how come I couldn't? Oh, there. Oh, I can post my FB link there. Okay. It's my
Accept
voice
him.
channel. No, it's not really mine. It's Jealous. But he doesn't have a page. Yay!
I only have OnlyFans.
Hoy! Bawal yun dito! I will do it later. Can we just rest? Let's do the easy one first.
What else do you
Oh,
need?
Jello, may naban. Bawal. It's not allowed. We're not supposed to do that.
Okay.
I'm gonna... Okay, if I reach... How many followers do I need? I only have a few followers. If I reach 1,000 followers, I'll turn on my camera for my every stream. Oh, that's a deal.
And you should show your face.
I'll turn on my
Above
camera if I reach 1,000 followers. No, I usually stream with my camera on. I even command war before with my camera on. It's just that nowadays, I don't. Yeah, so... My God, that is so exhausting.
But it was so fun.
Yeah. You know what, Betsy? There's even a picture of my arms while I was doing something on my desk in the Beast chat, in the Beast GC. Look for it. We even have pictures there while we were drinking. You can just scroll back and you'll see it. Yeah, so if I reach 1,000 followers by the end of the month, yeah, let's do it by the end of the month. I'll turn on my camera for all the streams that I will have on May, just for 1 month. You should promote your page more. I'm not gonna promote my page more. I'm not gonna promote my page. I don't want to. Oh, I'm not attacking, sorry. Let's go webcam. Yeah, 1,000 followers for Facebook. And then I'll have all my May streams on cam. And then I don't go to stream. Nah. Seriously, we have a lot of people here. Guys, it's Monday. You should be working. What are you guys doing here? You shouldn't be here. You guys should be working.
They're watching Modski.
Hey, you can post here.
Redsky.
No, I'm not gonna promote the channel. I'm not gonna promote the channel. So that's the deal, okay? If I get
Friends.
1,000 followers, I'll do on-cam streams for 1 month on May. So yeah, we'll see what will happen. No, the main reason why I can't stream, I can't promote that in Ragnarok because I also play other games. And speaking of my other game, whatever happened to my game? I also play other games, so it's not purely Ragnarok. You know what? It's our last game that I played. I play other games too before. No, I play a lot of games.
You can't mention the names of the games here, right?
I think we can, since it's not like a super discussion, it's just more on sharing the other games that you're playing. I'm not so sure. Yeah, I think it's okay. Yeah, I got bored of some of the games that I was playing before. I played that game because I have a friend who's playing it, and then Momo was playing it, and then Larashin was playing it. And it's like, you know what, might as well play it. But then I stopped because I got bored. And then there's this new game that I'm playing, and then Power World, I don't have the game exactly, but I usually watch streams because it's nice. Oh yeah, for those who are in the VC or in this voice channel, you can chat here. You can just click on Bongfield's party. There's hover over Bongfield's party. There's like a cloud chat bubble in there. You can just click that and then you'll be able to type. Just make sure that you don't spam. It's Gossamer here. Gossamer was spamming last time. So spamming is not allowed. You get called out. So make sure that you just chat. If you don't want to turn on your microphone, you can just chat here. Oh, Service Elemental is here.
Oh my god.
Yeah, he's the guy who taught me how to DA in 3F a long time ago. And when I say
also
and when I say a long time ago, literally a long time ago.
I also listened to that Discord.
Yeah, we had a discussion on how to do that. It was
Hello, Sir Wade.
Hello po. Oy, Momo. Are you at work? No, Momo is not at. Ah, you're doing airship runs, no? He's still not at. We don't give out the every 15 minutes experience, but you can chat here and pretty much gain the same thing. It's not gonna be that much, but at least it's something that you can earn. Its answer is Umbala, but I'm late.
I haven't done a single blitz today.
I got one mistake. That freaking mount that I don't have.
The
Every time
radio.
my stream gives me XP. How come you? Yeah, yes, Vin, it was from Beast. I was playing with LK, Beastly LK, Leonard, and then Mad Wolf. So, those are the DPS. LK, Rin, as well as for the team. The XP, are they not really getting any XP from their stream? They should get at least like half of it.
Are we still in 3F? I don't have XP. I don't.
You can type here. Yeah, I gotta ask Kamel, but I guess not. Can we tag Kamel here? Viewers can only get XP from chatting here. So if you're just gonna be staying there and listen to my nasty voice, my obnoxious laugh, and our cries of desperation and panic, then you won't get it.
My god, I can imagine that we were shouting a while ago.
Yeah. And then the thing that there are a lot of viewers. And I even have it live on Facebook. Oh my god.
Kami should teach us how to use the plated skill.
Yeah, it only worked one time earlier. Just for one time earlier. Let's post it in PH channel. Join our Ayan, no, alam mo na. Ayan, yan na lang. We were supposed to be sleeping by now. We did our stream earlier, and then we thought that it's gonna be over, and then a lot of people posted in LFB, and it's like, okay, might as well run again. By the way, since we have a lot of people in the chat, how's the weather there today? From where you are? Because it's super humid here from where I am. Jella, how's Australia?
It's getting colder.
Oh, nice. I need cold. It's super hot.
I think some of the areas are starting to get snow already.
Izuna, is he here? Is Izuna here? Oh, he's not here. We're done. Oh.
You should have heard our shouting.
Best run ever. All done. Best run ever.
My God.
No, we're going to be sleeping afterwards. I can't do it anymore. I still need to work on my taxes. 10/10, one try only.
Probably Playdead will work on the DA, Red.
Why would you play dead? You're supposed to be taunting everyone. Maybe on the last part when it was just the three of us, we could have tried to play dead on the dragon, but I don't know. I can only say it can't help.
I don't know, my instinct is to run and then shout rather than play dead.
Same with me. Which is what actually happened earlier.
Oh,
Just
so
maybe
that's
for
a
1
technique.
second,
Play
and-
dead for 1 second and move immediately. Oh, I see.
Your panic window is the same as me. But your voice is super calm and gentle, so you don't have that. I don't know how I sounded in the stream earlier. I don't want to know. I don't want to replay the stream later. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, you can, Service, you can follow my channel. It's gonna be there for a few days. You can replay it. We're currently live right now, so you can just replay it later. Oh my god. I'm waiting for the airship runners to actually ask us for a run. They usually just join in and join us and have some chit chat.
Can I play dead in airship? I'll just play dead in airship, please.
Okay, so to everyone who's in the stream, can anyone type? Can everyone type cookies? Just type cookies. The word cookies. Yeah, cookies. Just type cookies. Just type cookies. Yeah, just type cookies. To those who are awake, to those who are listening, to those who are, of course you have to filter out those who are asleep. So to those who are sleep. Okay, so to those who are awake right now, so how many cookies do we have here? 1, 2, 3. Okay, Kimi, just 1 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 cookies here. So let's do a surprise BCC raffle for today. Just for one, only for those 6. Let's just, oh, where is it? Let's just type, oh, Darkland, you're not included in it. Fine. Cut off. Cut off. Okay, so those, it's not gonna be 300 BCC. It's just gonna be 7 BCC for the 6-7 Darkland cheating. Charot. So we have one. So we have Viz, Suki, Kimi, Soda, Xavier, Genie, and Darkland. No Momo. I've already typed the cut off. Sorry.
I wasn't able to tap.
Oh yeah, you forgot. You were past the cut off. Sorry guys. Anyway, so what we're gonna do is, this is gonna be a 7 BCC. This is actually care of our awesome mods. Wait, how do I set up this one? What's this? The phrase. Only mine is from my pocket. I'm not gonna give out BCC. Maybe if I get 2,000 followers. I will. I will raffle a premium. Yeah, just a premium. If I get 2,000 followers. 1,000 followers will be... Where's the freaking duckers? Oh, there it is. So I have to manually type their names. How many do you have? You have 7, right? Wait, let me just set... I've been talking a lot. So let's just have... Sorry, Momo. I gave out the cut-off. You didn't type cookies. You were working. So we have service. Kimi. Sora. Xavier. Genie's here too. Darkland. Okay. So while we're still running easy, we're currently at floor 69 and luckily we haven't really done. Let's do...
Oh my god, I died.
Wait, I'm gonna rest you.
That's so funny.
Pass the lead! Pass me the lead! I can't...
Hang on.
It's not working.
Osteo.
My god, my casting. Okay, so 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. No, no airship. Oh my god, we have to add Momo. He might be the only one who can carry us in airship. Momo, I'll send you cookies if I go to Bali. I'll bring cookies and chicharon for you.
Campus lead.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Okay, if Kimi wins, it's gonna be given to Momo. Let's have it. Oh,
Girls.
let's have it for 1 minute. Yan. And wait, let's have it on live. Okay, so we have 7 folks. They have no choice but to run me regardless. Are we almost done? Yeah, I think we have time. Okay, so winner. This will just be for EL, by the way. Is everybody for EL? EL, CEL. Those who are from EU and all cannot join.
Not yet.
Maybe some other time. Okay, so to those who actually type cookies on time, sorry Momo, we love you but we cannot because you already passed the cutoff. So let's just set. Okay. We have shuffles here. Okay. Yan. 3 shuffles. Okay. Ready? Are you guys ready?
Oh my god, I'm going to watch.
No, because before when I was actually doing, when Red Sea was doing the, that pouring race after GTT, oh my god. It's so frustrating how the pouring actually is not pushing through. It's not even near by the finish line. Okay, so before our stream ends, do you still have any runs later on? Yeah, we'll figure something out. Okay, let's just start the race. Guys, again, only 7 VCC and just PM me or PM Red Skier ID number once you are, if you are the winner, okay? So let's just hit start. By the way, are you guys seeing my screen? It's annoying that
Oh my
quack.
god. Kimmy's going.
Oh my god, if Kimi wins, it's gonna be Momo.
Momo. Tita Jeannie, your hair is so heavy.
Oh, Genie is in the Little Mermaid area.
Mermaid.
Darkland is a unicorn. Oh my god, it's gonna be Xavier. I have a feeling it's gonna be Soda.
Oh my
Go,
god.
Genie, sing! Unmute and sing! Oh my god, could it be Xavier? We still have 12 seconds. Is Genie gonna make it? Is Soda gonna
Oh
make
my
it?
God.
Oh my god, I think it's gonna... Oh god, this is gonna be close! Who will win? Oh, see? The last guy who got in for the cutoff got in.
What happened? I was rooting for Ariel.
I was also rooting for Ariel.
It's so cute.
Super cute. Okay, so Redsky, I'm gonna PM it to you. Okay, so to Mr. Darkland. Oh, Darkland is
My
here.
god, congrats.
PM your whatchamacallit? PM your ID number to Redsky. It's Darkland.
Alright.
Annoying duck. Oh, maybe next time what we will do is what we did with the Elite Shuffle. We will be doing duck race until there's only one left. May the unlucky person win, charot. Yeah, so Darkland, kindly send your... It's Darkland. Whatchamacallit? Darkland 521 CEL. So kindly send your IGN, character ID number, and server region to Redsky. Wait, I need to take down the lock. It's annoying. Okay, what else? Ay, sayang pala. Sana hindi ko na-stream yung raffle.
Yeah, true.
Sorry na. Hindi ako pro streamer.
How will you
video
reach 1,000 followers?
Yuck. If I will have 1,000 viewers, okay, so the deal is, so this is just between us. It's not gonna be posted. That way, it's gonna be an organic reach out. So, anyone who will actually get the, whatchamacallit? So, once I get 1,000 followers, come on for the rest of May. Oh, resurrect Red Sea. What are you doing? It's already done, right?
Yes.
Oh, resurrect Sea. Okay. I can use it pala. Okay, so once I reach 1,000 followers, then we'll do the cam on for the rest of May. And if we reach 2,000, we'll have the premium raffle. Diba? Ang effort! Kasi nga not an official streamer. It's fine. So yeah, so anybody else who needs runs except airship, utang na loob. Mahirap na airship ngayon. How's airship? Who's already done?
Tana?
Is it difficult?
We're not yet done.
We're not yet done with airship.
No, we
When
still have a few.
I was informed of the affix earlier, and then I told them that, no, it's okay, it's gonna be easy. When I opened the MVP, it's like, no, never mind. Dude, it's Taugunka and Kate. Quite annoying combination. So yeah, again, for those who just got in, kindly follow at Hamshi Place and Facebook. That way you will be able to recount the panic mode and the screams earlier. The mortifying screams and the nasty stuff. I lost Isle ulit.
For Modski.
Lost Island PSR is not done. So yeah, so if you want to recount the screams, the panic, and the runs earlier,
Oh my God, be
please
Modski.
don't. See, it's like we've been doing this live stream for more than an hour. So let's try not to recount that nasty stuff that happened. I was done. Let's enter. Yeah, we're currently streaming for 1 hour and 13 minutes. Feel free to comment. So, if you want to comment there, feel free to do so. If you want to just stay here, it's fine as well. So, there.
When is Kimi's next stream?
Huh?
Do they have like a schedule for the streamers?
When is your next stream? We're not gonna be joined. We will just be joining as the audience. But
Yes, we will be like yes, well.
flooding your chat room for sure. So, by the way, for live streams in Facebook, they usually stay there for a few days, and then if I have the option to, we can easily... What's this? Why are we moving channels?
Just cancel.
I can't move channels. Yeah, thank you so much for staying, those who are still here and haven't gotten tired of my nasty voice. I'm usually tagged as the girl who swallowed the megaphone, so apologies. Yeah, so feel free to like, subscribe. No, I don't have subscription. And then also invite your friends, if they're playing Ragnarok, invite your friends to actually join us here in Discord for the awesome games and prizes. So right now, oh, by the way, how's your gacha roll?
Oh, it's six. Oh, yeah, I haven't done my roll yet today.
How's your gacha roll today? That's my question. So to those who are here, Is it gonna be... Yeah, there's gacha roll. Just see gacha roll. Wait, let me just send the... Oh shoot. Wait, where is it? Where is it? I can't find it.
Is it over?
No, it's not.
No,
It's over
shouldn't
here.
be.
This one. So guys, level 5. Unfortunately, Xavier, if you're level 5, kindly go to pouring leaderboards. Oh, wait, you don't start. So if you are already level 5, click on the synchros in your pouring leaderboards. That way you'll be able to update. However, if you don't have XP yet, unfortunately, you have to actually answer a few blitz and you'll get there.
宝が俺のことを呼んで
True.
る気がする。早く見に行かなくちゃ。
Oh yeah, blitz too. Jella, don't start to F. We still have to do blitz. I haven't done blitz. I still need to do a lot of blitz today.
戻しに行くよ。海霊のトーテム？どうして生きてるんだ？
I already have 2 games, 1 win, 1 lose. Amazing. Okay, I transform. Here in the Philippines, we would actually say, ano ang kwentong gacha roll mo? Lose 100k. Oh my god, Kimi, what happened? I think I only have like 55? 59. Oh gosh, it's already 59.
なんて不思議なんだ。
But sometimes it's...
海霊の力なのか？
I blame Magma.
この先に
I blame Magma
伝
Dungeon.
わっているんだろう。
I blame Magma Dungeon and Skamael.
And some pyramid and all the grass out there.
And the trees, and the mountains, and the rivers. No, you're not.
俺の下僕たち。
Did you die, Jenna? Oh god, I got
No.
disconnected.
触手が来るぞ。
My phone.
Wait, I need to screenshot. Yeah, you are.
I
You
got
are loading.
disconnected. Amazing. It's quite embarrassing to see this while on live. Oh, I'm back.
So what's the first
Also,
one?
I'm not the
It's
only one.
Magna.
Yeah. Am I not the only one?
Did someone else get disconnected?
Yeah, some of them got disconnected as well, and then they're back. It's PLDC.
PLDC.
Do we have a converter? Oh, where's Rex? Do you have a convert available? Is everybody done with PSR?
Redski's not yet done.
There's no level limits for Blitz. You just have to answer fast. Trick there is fast hands, fast internet, fast brain, fast hands. Sometimes the internet is useless if you don't know the answer.
And sometimes luck as well.
Yeah, you need a lot of luck for that. Be mindful of answering magma dungeons. They all look the same. Don't blame us, blame Kamael. He's the one who's like, there it is, it's magma again. It was a PLDC error, yeah. There are a few unfortunate souls that are like, they've already seen the choices, but the image for the map or the item or the job class is still loading. Wala tayong... Ay, wait. I'm gonna do convert. King Xavier, he's already offline. He's done, right?
Yeah, he's done.
Yep. Message yun.
Convert. Oh, he's reconnecting.
Okay.
Again, thank you so much for staying with us in this stream. So those who haven't actually rolled, make sure that do not forget to roll the C Discord gacha. Oh, by the way, there are specific sections for the gacha, so make sure that you are on the right server. Because I think the codes for C, for EU, and global will not work altogether. So you have to be in the global server if you need to, if you are from global, and then EU if you are from EU, and then C from C. How can you see Discord level? If you search for bot commands, just type !rank, R-A-N-K. Speaking of rank, Jello, what's your rank? I know you like the 69, but what's your rank
Yeah,
nowadays?
69. I'm staying in rank 69.
I doubt it. What's your rank?
That would be my rank.
Type rank, come on.
Let's go.
Okay. Oh, sorry. I'll convert. Redsky, do you have Saint? You should learn how to convert as well. Even
All around.
Even Discord is disconnecting. What the heck? No, all my 7 PCs.
Please.
Wait, I need to change my tile. Where is it?
Change.
Where is it in this? G? My God, sa Marsha convert.
Play dead, Ham. Play dead. Just kidding.
Don't play dead. Oh my God, they're looking for a Holger for WSA. I leave this, you guys can do it na. I died. Oh no,
Almost
almost died.
same.
I'm convert. Why are you not converting?
Dami ang Miro at Crystal.
Hey, where are you? Where are you?
Side Crystal.
Which one?
Here. Where the dragon is.
Next. This week?
What is it?
Oh my god, they did WSA the 3-month party for this week.
Wow.
Yes,
What were their
one
jobs?
Saint, one DA,
Ronin.
and then one Ronin.
One Ronin, one DA, and
Jimmy Carey asked.
one Saint.
I can show my face, but I need 1,000 followers. No, seriously, it's a requirement.
No,
It's a requirement for them. They have 12 followers.
no face. I look like a kangaroo since I came here in
No, Jello
Australia.
is really good looking. Bonky is super good looking. I want him to be my boyfriend, but he prefers boyfriends as well. We're just best friends now. If I create an avatar right now with how I look like OPM. I look like Saitama.
Oh, Jerome Nichols. Yeah, hopefully he'll carry us in AS. Yeah, actually,
Discord is lagging so much. If you can join Discord, you can also try to check out the FB stream. That way you'll be able to also see. It's not that laggy. We'll try to respond. I'll open the chat box. We'll try to respond as much as possible as well. Okay. This is super cool not today.
convert.
It's
Ayun.
converted. I remember the AS random is comes here. Do you have anybody from Elixir? A funny story. Someone we know. Actually, someone else's account was the same. And he didn't realize that he was trying to convert with the staff. It's the healing staff. As it turns out, the build was in full support mode when he's supposed to be converting in AS. Because he has a different build. He spammed all the flowers. The flower statement, which is super expensive. So it's like, I think he consumed like 20, and it's not even the first MVP. My god. I'm confused. Jetsky said he's the AFK for a while. He didn't see that. Dude, you're playing dead on the other side of the map. It's okay.
He's playing dead. He's playing dead on the other side.
Maybe we should do that on Crystal.
We should practice playing dead ham in 3F. We need to learn that skill. Where is it? Okay.
How come it's not converting?
Is the play dead just mainly for Nuka? Huh?
No, I did it with Joel earlier. It's for everyone. Get the DA
Oh.
played too.
In the DA play dead.
Get the DA played too. Oh, for DA, you turn do PD for 1 second and then run. Nice.
So it works as well for the. Wow, that's good.
Yeah, we're having 3 MVPs kind of. It's a little overwhelming sometimes. And then sometimes there's, oh shit, I died. Jello, that's I'm here.
I'm pressing the wrong person. Right.
Piccolo. Chat kill. No, chismis kill. Instead of focusing in the run, I'm doing chismis.
Oh my god, my Piccolo, why didn't I wear it?
Pats! Pats, 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 pats! Oh my god, here we go again with the panic mode.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Run! And now you have Sago. You have the balls. How come I died?
There.
My car first. Why are you doing a ratio?
Why am I not targeting the core? There.
I need to focus on this run. I don't want to repeat that.
Listen. It's not as enjoying as a 3F run a while ago.
PF is fine because it's really difficult. Did you die? Where are you?
Crystal.
Oh, sorry.
There's another one here. So when you convert to Darkham, how long does it last?
It's only for a few seconds. And it usually stacks because of the HAA plus the Magnus. We can experiment. convert? Why are you not converting?
Yay, 11, 10 to go. Oh my god, Crystal again.
You need to have high sustain. Is Lena gonna work here? What a crazy question.
Yay, 5%.
Okay, so I guess we're done. I'm exhausted. I don't want to do this again. Just kidding. We'll have probably more runs later on. It's just that we need to sleep. We have to work later. But Jello needs to work later and I have to be somewhere actually in a few hours. So thank you so much for tuning in. Again, like and subscribe at Hamshi Plays in Facebook. Don't forget to roll your gacha. My gulay.
Yeah, true.
Do not forget to roll
I
your
need to do-
gacha. I know there will be times that they will say sorry, but it's okay. There's pity. There's pity roll. So I hope you enjoy the rest of your day and hope you have a great kick-off for today for the rest of the week. Awesome day, everyone. Thank you so much. Jello, thank you so much for inviting me for this run.
Thank you. Yes,
Thank
it's
you
fun.
guys. See you again maybe later or tomorrow. We'll see. It depends on the number of folks in LFP, but right now we really need to rest. Jello, you have to sleep. You still have work later. Oh, we still have screenshots to send and stuff.
Yeah, I'll send it tonight, but possibly.
Yeah, I'll probably just reply there with a stream link. So, again, thank you so much, everyone, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.